What is 0.875 as a fraction in simplest form, lowest term, or reduced form? So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. So 875, after skipping decimal we are getting as numerator. And for denominator, just consider 1/4 decimal, and for every digit after decimal you have to consider 0. 1, 2, 3 digit we have, so write 30. So we have 875 over 1000. This is the fraction form, but this is not simplified. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. So how to find that? 2, 3, 5, 7, these are a prime number. So this number is, both number is divisible by 5, but not 2 and 3. So if you divide, then what will you get? 1, 3, 175, and if you divide 2, 0, 0. Again, this and this are divisible by 5, 3, 5, then 40. Again, this and this are divisible by 5, 7, 8. The common factor between 7 and 8 is just 1. So we are done. Now multiply these shared factors to find the greatest common divisor or factor. 5 times 5 times 5, that gives you what? 25 times 5, 125. So divide 875 by 125 and 1000 by 125. So if you divide 875 by 125, what you look at? Just take here 7. 7 times 125, that gives you 875. So we are getting 7 on the numerator. And if you divide 1000 by 125, if you divide 1000 125, if you take here 8, 8 times 125, that gives you 1000. So 8. So 7 over 8 is the lowest term or reduced form.